Reconnect with Earth's healing energy through Tesla grounding, a powerful tool designed to restore balance, gently relax, and recharge your body from the ground up. Is Tesla grounding worth it? Tesla Care terahertz devices harness advanced technology to deliver precise targeting of the human body, effectively soothing and energizing. Their handheld and portable design ensures ease of use and transport, making them perfect for a wide range of environments, whether at home or on the go. As non-invasive solutions, these devices provide advanced benefits, offering a safer and more comfortable experience for users. Additionally, their multifunctional capabilities allow for diverse applications, so we encourage you to consult your independent distributor to explore the various benefits these innovative products can provide for your health and well-being. Terahertz. Terahertz resonates at the same frequency as normal human cells and generates millions of vibrations per second, activating healthy and dormant cells while boosting a sense of well-being. Optical quartz. Optical quartz amplifies the energy generated by the device, creating a more powerful result. Mimics 1/40th of the UV energy of sunlight. It strengthens the aura fields in the body. Quantum technology. Generates scalar energy that energizes our cells and penetrates deep into vital organs, which strengthens the body whilst balancing bodily systems. Emily Johnson. Tesla Care has been a game changer for me. My energy levels have improved significantly, and I feel more balanced and rejuvenated. Highly recommend. Sophia Williams. I love how easy and effective Tesla Care is to use. My skin feels softer, and I've noticed a big reduction in my discomfort. It's now a part of my daily routine. Olivia Brown. Using Tesla Care has made a noticeable difference in my overall well-being. The non-invasive technology is fantastic, and the benefits keep getting better. Sophia Bennett. I was skeptical at first, but Tesla Care exceeded my expectations. My stress levels have decreased dramatically, and I feel more in control of my health. Olivia Carter. Since using Tesla Care, I've noticed significant improvements in my mobility and comfort. It's simple to use and delivers outstanding results. Thank you. Eva Mitchell. Tesla Care has made such a difference in my daily life. My mood has improved, and I've become more active. I can't imagine going back to how I felt before. Mia Adams. I started using Tesla Care a month ago, and I already feel revitalized. It's incredible how such an easy-to-use product can have such a positive impact. Innovative solutions, simplified. Powerful heating element. The electrical current is passed through a coiled nichrome element, creating radiant heat and infrared light waves. Optical grade quartz tube. Forged in over 2000 degree heat to remove impurities, as the infrared waves pass through the optical grade quartz tube, excited electrons begin to vibrate, flooding the body and the water you condition with the unit with life-giving negative ions. Terahertz, T-hertz, frequency. Significantly void of impurities, the optical quartz tubes amplifies the vibration of the T-hertz frequency band of the infrared spectrum. Convection current. As terahertz frequencies are generated, convection currents force the radiant air from the fused quartz tube to soothe and invigorate your cells, wherever you aim it. The answers you're looking for. Can I use the device anywhere on my body? Can I really use the Tesla Care as an infrared hair dryer? Tesla Care. Copyright 2024 Tesla Care. All rights reserved. TeslaCare.net. Quick links. You can order in confidence, knowing that DG Store 24's customer support is here to help you along the way if needed. 2025 Copyright DG Store 24 Incorporated, United States, Inc. and / or its licensors. Review legal notice. Here. Terms of use. Here. And privacy policy. Here. Contact us. Here,